Hi, welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Cassie and I'm your host, and I am about to reveal the Lust colorway, and you guys helped me pick it. So here's the deal. I originally came to this colorway thinking that I wanted it to be a bright, fiery red, purple, and hot pink. I thought that this would make a really good, lusty colorway, all right? But when I put these colors together, I noticed how much I absolutely love the red and the purple as they mixed. So I thought, you know what? Maybe red and purple mixed together would be a better colorway for Lust. And so I made two different colorways. I showed them to you guys and I said, hey guys, you know what? I like them both. Which one do you like better? And there was a pretty overwhelming preference, and I just want to say that I not only polled you guys on the video, but I also put up a members only poll for my channel members, which went up a few hours earlier than my video did. I also asked some of my personal friends as well, and I just wanted to say the majority of my personal friends were split right down the middle. On the members poll, the majority liked the hot pink the most, and in the comments the majority like the hot pink the most, all right? But neither one of these is going to be the actual final colorway, because you know what? I got a lot of really, really great feedback in addition to the votes. And I took that feedback and I decided I was going to make an even better colorway than the one that I had already created. So we already know that the purple and the red colorway didn't win, so we'll go ahead and put that off camera so it won't distract us. So here we have the colorway that I had created. We've got this hot pink, we've got the red, we've got the purple. Now, some people were saying the purple wasn't vivid enough. Some people were mentioning about how it wasn't saturated enough, you know, and of course that's going to come up when you're doing with any kind of hand-dyed yarn. Sometimes the colors aren't just going to be as saturated as the others. However, there are ways to make certain that the colors get completely saturated. Another thing is that people were saying, you know, that pink is so bright. It would be nice if you had a brighter red. And it would be nice if maybe the purple was brighter too, you know? And I took that to heart, okay? And I want to say I went ahead and stayed with these three colors, but I made a third colorway, and that's going to be the Lust colorway. So do you guys want to see it? Well, first, let's go ahead and compare them. So this is the colorway that you guys picked, and we are saying hello to baby, my cat, for a minute here. Do you want to get on YouTube? Do you want to say hi? Hey, look up. Look up. Oh, hi, everybody. I'm on YouTube. Mommy's holding my face funny. Okay, you got your 2 seconds of fame there, baby. You need to get off the table. Some people are allergic to cat hair, right? My goodness. Okay, so here is the one that you guys voted on. The majority of you guys voted on and said this is the one to go with. And this is the one that I created based on, I like the hot pink, you know, you got to keep that in there, but we need some more vivid colors. So I actually did not do that big of a difference when I did this, okay? What I did is that I dyed the entire hank this pink color first, okay? And that pink color, I went ahead and toned it down so it wasn't so bright and in your face and nylon like that, okay? Now I can turn the color up if I want to, or if somebody says, hey, you know, I'd want you to tune that color up, but I've got this pink in there. It's the same color, just toned down a little bit. But then on top of that, that's when I applied the red. Okay, so this red ends up coming through as a little bit brighter than the red in the original colorway. In fact, we'll go ahead and compare these two reds. Now, I don't know, some of you guys might notice and some of you guys might not, but the most important thing is the places where the red didn't penetrate completely, these all have that pink color underneath it. But on this one, you've got the white color where the red didn't penetrate. So you've got full color coverage on this one. Then I made the purple so that it blended with the pink a little bit better. Yeah, and so we've got a more vibrant purple here than we had before. And I think this one's going to be a little bit more detectable on screen here. So we've got this purple from the original one, and then we've got this place where this hot pink just kisses this purple right here. And as you move around, you've got that purple that's a little bit more vibrant. And again, instead of having these white patches where the purple didn't penetrate completely, you've got these kind of pink patches where the purple didn't penetrate completely. So we have got ourselves a hot, lusty color. All right, so here's the first hank, and I'm just going to show you what the second hank looks like, because I always do too, just to make sure. So here is the second hank. I mean, it's pretty much going to be the same thing. I just wanted to show you how it ended up here. Again, the purple, very vivid. It's got this place here where the pink and the purple kind of connect. We still kept this red in here, the hot pink here in the middle, and then we have the red where anything that the red didn't penetrate, you've got that hot pink underneath it. So it's very bright, very vibrant. And so you've got two examples of what this colorway will look like. So we have made a Lust colorway finally, and I really appreciate all of your input on helping me create this for you guys. You know, I'm really glad that my initial idea is the one that we ended up going with, but I'm also very thankful that I got some feedback that I was able to apply so that I can make this colorway the best that it could be, and I really owe that to you guys. All right, so that said, this colorway, my Lust colorway, is now available in my Etsy shop on multiple different yarn bases, and you can order it right now if you want to. All right, and these other colorways, what am I going to do with these that got left over? Well, I mentioned that I was going to put them in a giveaway, right? So I said that I would put the one that lost in the giveaway, but since I'm not going to use either one, I think the better yarn to put in the giveaway would be the one that has all three colors in it. And then this one, I might do one of those over dyes with this and see what I can come up with that, because I think that that might be a fun fun little project there, and it would be like one of those bonus videos. So these skeins are going to be going in my next giveaway, which I am going to post within the next 24 hours. All right, guys? So now we have our Lust colorway. It's absolutely beautiful. It embodies all of that robust vibrancy that is associated with Lust. It's got the purples, the pinks, and that really bright red. And this is going to look stunning as it's knitted up or crocheted up, and I'm really, really excited about it hitting my shop. That said, thank you guys so much for watching this video to the end. Thank you for participating and helping me make this colorway, and I will see you soon in another video, and I mean very soon, because I'm about to record my Wellness Wednesday, and you'll see that sometime within the next 6 hours. All right, guys? See you then. Bye for now.